Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code for your business step by step for free. Whether it's for your website contact information or payment link, you will learn how to do it in minutes. A QR code, short for quick response, is a scannable square that can store links, contact details, business cards, or even payment information. Perfect for business cards, menus, flyers, and social media. Like that. Search for QR code for business. Like that. First of all, decide what you want your QR code to do. Here are some popular options like link to your website or product, share contact information, virtual card, like that. Show location or directions, display a PDF or menu, connect to Wi-Fi, receive payments, UPI, PayPal, etc. Now let's make the QR code. I will use a free tool called QR code generator. At https www.qrcodegenerator.com. Visit the site, choose what type of QR code you want, like URL, vCard, or virtual card, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi, Bitcoin, Twitter, Facebook, PDF, MP3, app stores, images, 2D barcodes. Just click images, then sign up for free account. Click on sign up for free button. Now enter your work email here. Then use a strong password. Then click sign up now. You can also use your Google account for sign up. Now go to your email inbox, then activate your email. Then click get started now button. Then choose business. Then choose industries like that. Then click get started. Follow the in-screen instructions and choose what type of QR code you want, like coupons. Now you can see the QR code. Just click next. You can choose color from here like that. That's good. Then enter your company name like that. You can add sale pages like 10% off, 30% off, 50% off, 2 for 1 or sale, or you can use custom button like that. Free for first 10 customer or 5%. Then click coupon name tab, then enter your coupon name like digital 20 5% off. Then select your validity date like that, June 10 June. Then enter then complete the process. You can use an image like that. We'll just click on change and click next. Now choose a QR code style like scan me or like that. Then click download. It's free. Then save the location and boom. And that's how you create a custom QR code for your business. It's fast, free, and makes your brand more accessible. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you will use your keyword for. Just open your phone, go to scanner app, then scan it, then use it for your business. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.